Congratulations, you've made it to the first part of ULDP Camp 1. We are now introducing the CEO Challenge, which will be divided in 3 parts. Today is during your gap day when you have your free time. I'm encouraging you to connect with your teammate for only 30 to 40 minutes. Let me introduce you to CEO Challenge. The CEO Challenge is a business model innovation challenge. What is a business innovation? You learn in the BMC that businesses fail to innovate will be out of business. In this challenge, you have to innovate an existing business, their business model, or introduce new products or services. First task, as your group, you have to select an existing company and then start designing their existing BMC. Use the BPC to slowly start thinking about what would be that future business model. And use your business environment tools such as Pestle and SWOT to analyze the current situation in which a business is happening. So 3 parts. On your gap day tomorrow, we ask you to just quickly, please do take some time to rest, refresh, think about something else, and try to take a few minutes with your team to select one business that you would like to see transform in Malaysia, where there's going to be a new business model. In the second part, in the Gap Day 2, which will be on July 20th, you'll be encouraged to validate and go interview locally or even do monkey survey that you can ask questions to the potential customer of that existing business. And finally, in the last part of this ULDP 12 days, you'll have your final business CEO challenge final presentation. Tan Sri Jamal and a lot of senior management of Axiata will be present, but we'll also invite the public or even the company you selected to attend and watch your presentation. A lot to keep in store, so please stay motivated for this part. There's 4 industries that will be selected for this challenge. What that means is that if your group is under the entertainment industry, what is under entertainment? It could be theme parks, it could be cinemas, it could be so many things. For retails, it can be pharmacy, grocery stores. Tourism can be airline, hotels, and for wellness and sport could be the gym, the stadium, or places where you take care of yourself, such as spa. So without further ado, let me announce which group will be in these following categories. For entertainment, the teams are Group 1 and Group 8. For retails, Group 2 and Group 7. For wellness and sport will be Group 3 and Group 6. And finally, for tourism, Group 4 and Group 5. So your first task on this first CEO Challenge brief is to just select a company and familiarize yourself with their existing model. When you innovate the business model, you need to think, this is post-pandemic, we are under the RMCO. How can the business innovate itself to stay relevant in this context? If they don't change the business model, often company, as I mentioned earlier, will be out of business. Your role is to propose something interesting that will keep their customer coming. With all, I want to ask you a last thing. Don't forget, each team are allocated to one super mentor from their AYTP team. What is a super mentor? Is the person to go to if you have any issue, you're tired, you want to discuss, and also this super mentor will be the person with who you'll have an individual coaching session over the time of ULDP. Coaching session will be 15 to 20 minutes to discuss maybe your future goals after graduating or any other personal development, how you want to stretch yourself and go out of your comfort zone. That's all for me. Briefings CEO Challenge 1 completed. Good luck to you all.